Hey guys, this is Checking Things Out, and today we're unboxing a AC tent for Tesla made by Otrifowd. Okay, let me start unboxing. Well, you got a big bag. All right. Okay, here we go. Let's open it up. Pretty heavy. It's a nice bag. Got their name on there. Got cushions on the end, here and here. We'll put this down. Alright. We got this part, not knowing what it is. I'm looking for the instructions. Give me an inside view. I don't see it. Okay. Okay, so on the bag, it actually has the instruction for it right here. So again, let's put this to the side. So you got holes. I would think this is for the tent. Yeah, this looks like the holes for the tent. This is probably the rain cover, I'm assuming. So here are the stakes. A lot of them. This. For the center of the tent? I'm not sure. But anyway, we'll be headed out and we'll go put the tent together and we'll find out what everything is. We are headed to our campsite over at New Melones. How is everyone doing today? Hope things are well. Once again, we are out and about checking things out. This is Copperopolis, where we just completed a Tesla supercharger stop to get our battery level up to 100%. The drive to the campsite is about 30 minutes with a distance of 20 miles from the supercharger. And here we are back on the road again, heading north on Highway 4. A few windy road later, passing by Frogtown in Calaveras, we hit the entrance to New Melones recreation area. The location is west of the Sierra Nevada mountains at an elevation of 1,100 feet above sea level. The lake is a multi-purpose reservoir for water storage, flood control, hydroelectric power, and of course recreational purposes. Okay guys, so we're here at the campground, gonna set up the tent for the Tesla. So let me open this up. And again, this is the Tolly transporter. Alright, so I'm gonna be setting up the tent. The tent is almost complete, except I made an amateur mistake. This pole I'm connecting together needs to be inserted into a long sleeve before securing it into its base. So I had to undo the clipping I'm doing now. And here we are about 90% in setting up the tent. Finally, the tent's done, and we are cooking and eating with bedtime coming soon. Good morning, everyone. Another day, another stay. We enjoyed our time at this campsite and hope to see you again on our next trip. Now we're going to take down this tent, so hopefully it won't be a challenge as putting it up. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment of what you think about this video. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. It would help us in making new videos.